This project investigates the management of infusion pumps at Vancouver General Hospital. It was completed in collaboration with Lower Mainland Biomedical Engineering as part of the Designing for People course at UBC. Infusion pumps are the most common medical device that Lower Mainland supports. They are responsible for injecting controlled amounts of nutrients, blood, and medication into patients' bodies. Though Vancouver General Hospital has an inventory of about 840 pumps, their utilization rate is only 42%, creating an apparent shortage across the hospital. Michael has been working at the hospital as part of the pump cleaning and distribution team for several years. His responsibilities include locating dirty pumps, cleaning them, and distributing them to different units according to the set PAR levels for each unit. PAR levels are the minimum number of pumps a unit needs to maintain. He starts his day walking through the critical units, checking the soiled utility rooms for dirty pumps. Unfortunately, he finds all the rooms empty. Cheryl, a nurse in the ICU, pages Michael for a pump. Her unit ran out. Unable to find any soiled pumps to redistribute, Michael has to remove a clean pump from another unit. He is often left frantically searching for pumps to distribute. To investigate this issue, we went on a hospital tour and interviewed and shadowed several project stakeholders to better understand the problem space. The first and most important key finding was that the pump distribution team often struggles to find pumps when needed. This can lead to a significant amount of frustration and stress for the team. Their manual search for pumps is also a high-effort, time-intensive process, with a lot of time wasted checking empty rooms. The PAR levels set for each unit often carry little meaning for the distribution team because they are rarely able to meet them. And this shortage is felt differently across teams and units, with scheduling delays and shortages impacting some nurses more than others. Using this, we developed the problem statement. There exists a need for a maintainable solution that reduces the time spent searching for infusion pumps at Vancouver General Hospital, with the goal of increasing the availability of pumps. There, we brainstormed the following 3 ideas: camera tracking, RFID, and an interface built on top of their existing pump management system. Camera tracking involves the placement of cameras in soiled and clean utility rooms. Barcodes placed at the top of each pump can be scanned by the cameras and used to update an interface for the infusion pump cleaning team. Passive RFID would require the placement of passive tags on each pump and fixed readers at the entrance to utility rooms to scan how many pumps enter or leave each room in real time. The final solution uses the information from Lower Mainland's existing system for pump management to populate an interface for the pump cleaning and distribution team. This can be used to make predictions about pump location. To evaluate these solutions, we completed a background analysis into costs, maintenance, and value. While passive RFID performs the best in terms of information and usability, its cost is far too high for Lower Mainland. The cost of using their existing system is most effective, though the information is not as detailed as the other solutions. We also conducted an experiment in the Civil and Mechanical Engineering and Kaiser buildings on UBC campus to estimate how long it takes to locate the rooms with pumps using each solution. We found that the RFID solution resulted in a 27% reduction in time, camera tracking a 24% reduction, and the existing pump management system a 27% reduction. When accounting for the possibility of error, camera tracking still yielded a 22% reduction, and the interface solution a 16% reduction. Based on these results, we selected the interface built on their existing system, finding that it provides the greatest value relative to cost. To represent the proposed solution, we developed the following proof of concept interface. Starting at the login page, the user enters their health authority credentials to access the application. The filter page allows them to customize the app according to their needs, which are then applied to their pump overview page. Here, users can see an overview of the utility rooms across the hospital, along with a number of pumps currently in use and an estimate of how many pumps there are in each soiled utility room. They can then click on each level for additional detail. The refresh button can be used to ensure the information is up to date. They can also look at the pump overview broken down by unit, as well as view recent notifications sent through the app. Moving forward, we'd like to complete user testing with project sponsors and stakeholders, connect the interface to the BD Alaris pump management system, and update it based on feedback. We acknowledge these contributors. Thank you.